Hello, welcome. Today we started a little bit different. I wanted to show you this idea that I found in a mall here in Mexico. I saw this idea and look, as you could see, it's a little bit expensive, and I thought it's very easy for you to make and to decorate your Christmas tree making these pompons. So today I'm going to show you how you can make the pompons. I was thinking that you can make it in different colors too, in different sizes. And look, I think they look really nice here in your tray without spending too much money. And I think it's an excellent idea, right? So let's don't lose more time and let's start the video. I will give you the material list. So for this strip of pompons, we will need a yarn. I will make it in this size and I will use this yarn. It's important the kind of yarn you are going to use because the pompon will look puffy or not. Okay, I will use this bulky yarn. It's number 5 in this color, in this page, and I will mix some colors. I will use this orange and white. I will use the pompons maker and scissors, and I think that's it, right? You will make it for your Christmas tree, but also it will be very helpful for your coming projects to decorate a scarf, to decorate a beanie, to decorate a sweater or a pillow. And these pompon makers bring a lot of sizes. Before we start, I wanted to show you how I decorate this pillow that I made. Please let me know in the comments below if you want me to show you how you can make these pillow cases. I use these pompon makers. I think that this is the easiest way to make a pompon, and I use it in this occasion to decorate this pillow. You see, here's how it comes to set. I see that in Amazon and you can find them if you want. Well, as I told you, this is the easiest way to me, and the pompons maker comes with the instructions, but sometimes it's difficult. Look, so it comes with these 4 pieces, each a size, okay? And we have pieces with these bubbles here. So we are going to face them like this. We are going to uh, take them both with our fingers, and now we will take one thread and we will fill this arch with the yarn. Okay, it's important that we face the bubbles inside because taking this space between them, it will be easier for us to put the scissors between and then cut. Okay, so that's why it's important to place them like this. So look, I think it's enough. It's puffy, not enough for me. I'm going to cut. The scissors are important too, okay? And you have to have a good scissors with a good tip, so it will be easier for you to cut between them. So we are going to repeat the same with the other pieces, and we are going to cut here, remember, okay? So we are going to place them again the same, and again we are going to make the same. We are going to fill this arch. Okay, as you could see, both have the almost the same amount of yarn. Okay, we are going to cut a long thread using the same yarn. I'm going to open a little bit so you can see it better. Okay, once we have this, we are going to take our scissors and we are going to cut between them very slowly and carefully. Okay, and we are going to repeat the same with the other piece. Okay, as I told you, it's important to have good scissors because it will be easier for you. Okay, very carefully we are going to leave it there, and now we are going to repeat and make the same with the other side. With the other piece. Well, once we have these 2 pieces ready, we are going to take this thread and we are going to pass it through in between the 2 pieces, and we are going to take the other piece and we will pass the thread between them too, like this. Okay, then we are going to take both the end and the beginning of the thread, and we are going to make a knot. Okay, a strong knot. Okay, very hard. We are going to pull. We are going to make a knot again, so I want to make sure that this won't undo. Okay, like this. It's very important, okay? Just make extra knots, as many knots that you think are enough. Okay, it's because it's very important, this step. Okay, once we are sure, once we are ready, we are going to take all the pieces off like this, as you see. And now we have our pom-pom ready, you see? Now with the scissors, we are going to cut just the long threads to even the, the pom-pom. We are going to cut like this all the long threads that we may have. This is my favorite part, okay? Well, to make the strip of pom-poms that I show you, well, we are going to make more like this one, and if you want, you can leave a long thread to join them. You can also make a long chain and use this chain as a base and place all the pom-poms there. You can put them together or leave a space between them, and you will decide. I will make more in different colors so you can see how they look. And I like this technique because with this technique we don't waste too much material, so I think it's perfect. Look, here I have them. I made them in different colors. In this occasion, I will use them to decorate the pillow that I showed you at the beginning. And like the pillows that I made are in these colors, well, I decided to use them as a decoration too. But I told you that you can make the long strip that I showed you at the beginning to decorate your Christmas tree, or also you can make just a single pom-pom and use it as an sphere too, right? Well, uh, as you could see, the pom-poms makers comes in different sizes, and it's the same. You will repeat the same steps with all the sizes too. You can make big pom-poms or small pom-poms for your decoration. Soon I will show you how you can make the pillows if you want that I made. Please let me know here in the comments. And well, I hope that you have enjoyed making this video with me. I know that it was a small, it was short video, but very useful. Okay, I will continue giving you more tips for these coming holidays, and soon I will share more videos so you can make something for you. Thank you so much. Bye.